What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got another quick fix for you here on the old Grand Marquis. Fuel door quit working the other day. The button fell apart. I actually opened my driver's door and the button, the spring, and the little metal tab were all laying there. Actually took me a second to realize where they even came from. Now the problem, I was on a quarter tank of gas and I didn't have any way to open my fuel door. Now I could have mangled the door up and done all that, but fortunately for me, I have other vehicles to drive, so I went ahead and ordered the switch. I'm going to show you quick how to replace it. So if you ever run into this, we'll get you back on the road.
So I noticed the other day that I had my button came out in the spring and all the stuff, and I put the button back in. Now it won't do anything, and I can't open my fuel door, which means I can't drive the car. So I'm going to show you today how to replace this. Super quick and easy. Don't even hardly need any tools. Let's dive into this thing. Got the old trusty screwdriver here. We're just going to pry down underneath here. Give it a pull. There we go. This is really hard to do one-handed, but I'll make the best of it. Connector off. There you go. Here we get the new one. Just ordered this thing on eBay. Go ahead and plug this in. There we go. And if all is working, look at that. All you gotta do to put it back in, just push it down. It's kind of got these little wing tabs on it. You can see they mush around pretty easy. Just shove it down through there. There you go. Problem solved.
So there we go. All it took was just a simple flathead screwdriver, a minute or so of my time, and that thing is back up and working. I can go to the gas station now, put some gas in it, and be back on the road. So I hope that helped you guys out. Appreciate you watching. We'll catch you next time.